How to turn on wheelchair access in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on it. So these are the profile settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the account section, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on it. So here in the settings interface, here slowly scroll down until you find the option called wheelchair access. So simply tap it and turn it on. So these are the features for the disabled or physical challenged people. So this will enable free wheelchair, and here the riders will be able to provide you wheelchair access. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.